They've been there for us since day one.
We always know that Prevost has our back.
Second to none.
When I saw the email blast that Prevost was going to have their service vans on site here today, it didn't surprise me because that's where Prevost has always led the industry with service and support.
We became a Prevost customer in 2014 after being in business for almost 40 years at that point. It is one of the single best business decisions I ever made.
We really appreciate the support. We know they're there behind us in case we need anything, and that goes a long way for us.